Hello all, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to enable from option or to send email from a different mailbox. For example, if you have a shared mailbox and you have to send an email on behalf of that, then you can use this method. So right now I opened a mail, but I only have two OCC and I don't have an option to choose which mailbox address this mail should go. To enable this, first, make sure you are not in the simplified ribbon. So just make sure you select the classic ribbon here so that you will have this option here. So once you go to the options, you can see the from field here. So just click the from field. If you want to enable the BCC as well, just click this so that that field will be also enabled. So in the from field, you can just select other email address and from what email address you have to send. So you can just mention that email address here simply and just press OK. So it's usually the from address will be changed, so the user will receive the email address from this address. So you can add the users you want to send and you can put the subject and send it. Okay. So for business scenario, it might be useful those who have working with a shared mailbox and all. So if it's very useful, so if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe so I can create more content like this. Thank you for your time and see you.